In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a complete website using Google AI Studio, from generating the code to customizing it. And once the site is ready, I will walk you through how to push that code to GitHub and deploy it live on Vercel. By the end of this video, you will have your own AI built website live on the internet. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. If you don't have an account, create one using your Google account. If you have already an account, simply log in. After logging in, you will see the three categories: home, playground, build, and dashboard. Click on build. Before start building the application, open Claude or ChatGPT and explain what you want to build. At the end of your prompt, write generate me a PRD file. So the AI will create a complete PRD doc for your application. Copy the PRD file and return to Google AI Studio, then paste it in the prompt box. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, Google AI Studio will generate your entire website. In this video, I am going to build a portfolio website for web developer. So I am asking ChatGPT to generate me a PRD file. So I am writing, I am a software developer. I want to build a portfolio website for my next job application. Write a generate me a PRD file. So I am clicking on enter. So the AI will writing entire product requirements document. So after generating this entire document, I will copy this response. So ChatGPT generated the entire PDF PRD file. I am clicking on copy. After copying that entire PDF PRD file, I am pasting here in Google AI Studio prompt box. After pasting that entire PRD file, click on build button. So the Google AI Studio will start building the application. You need to wait for 2 to 3 minutes for so that the AI will build a website. If you don't have an account in GitHub, you need to create GitHub account to deploy the website in Vercel. So create one GitHub account. After creating GitHub account, you need to create a Vercel account for deployment. Create these two accounts for website deployment. GitHub is a platform where you can store your code code of your website, like Google Photos for your photos. The website is ready. I'm showing you the preview of the website. After waiting for 2 to 3 minutes, the website is ready. You can see here it build a clean and modern website for a web developer, building digital experience that matter. You can see here projects, what he did, what he built, project section, and next experience section, where he worked, and it created about section also, rated front end, back end, dev tools, education, etc. And it integrated email and name contact to the web developer. If you want this project code, you can download from here. You can push to GitHub. You can save to GitHub from here, or you can deploy this website directly from here also. If you deploy it in directly here, you did not have an access to change. You don't have access to the code. So if you want any changes, you can here write write instructions to change. It suggesting add animations page, etc. So I am pushing this code to my GitHub account. Click on GitHub again. Click on GitHub icon. After clicking on GitHub icon, you can see here, fill this repository name, repository description. If you want to this repository private or public, I am doing it private. So I'm writing repository name Alex Dev, description portfolio. So you can click on create repo, create git repo. After clicking on create git repo, it start creating repository. So it pushing the code from Google AI Studio to GitHub. You can see here the end code is pushed to the entire code pushed to the GitHub account. So click on this URL. After pushing code from Google AI Studio to GitHub account, create a Vercel account to deploy the website. After creating your Vercel account by using Google account or GitHub account, you need to create Vercel account. After creating, you can see here add new project. Click on this project section. After click on the project section, you can see here your GitHub account, and you can see what repositories have in your GitHub account. So I am deploying this Alex Dev portfolio website. I created it in Google AI Studio. Click on this import button. After click on this import button, it select the framework automatically, and you need to name the project name. If you want to change the project name, change here. After that, you can click on deploy button. So it started deploying it on Vercel. So you can see here it installing all dependencies, and after installing all dependencies, deploy summary and assign custom domain to it. So the website is deployed in my dashboard. You after deployed it, you can click on continue to dashboard. So you can see here the final website after deploying it in Vercel. So you need to first generate the PRD file by using Cloud AI or ChatGPT. After creating PRD file, you need to open Google AI Studio, and paste that PRD file. After paste that PRD file, you need to click on and build button. So the AI start building the application. After waiting 2 to 3 minutes, the website will ready. So you can need to push the code from Google AI Studio to GitHub for deploying the website on Vercel or any deployment platform, hosting platform. So after pushing that code to GitHub, you need to create a Vercel account. After creating, connect your Vercel account to GitHub, and connecting, you can easily import your projects from GitHub. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your who want to build their portfolio website or any website.